Alright guys, here's my other box. This is a 2002 Fleer Premium. Hobby box, of course. This has 24 packs, and you find a game used or autograph every 24 packs. Here is the odds if you need care to read them. You can pause it on that. So, pulled a Hall of Fame relic piece out of my last Hall of Famer. So let's see if out of my last box break, that was what was that? Triple Crown. So let's see how we can do on this one. Tell you what, I'm gonna do this a little different. I'm gonna have the packs ready to go. I'm gonna cut all these real quick so I can slide them open real fast. That last break went a little long. That's what she said. Don't want the video running for 15-20 minutes. Bore all you to death. So we'll cut all these open, and this won't take but a minute, and then we'll slide each pack out. There's half of them done. If I did do this on camera and pulled some crazy hit, somebody would claim which I don't really care. It's not like it's a break or something for group break, but oh, you didn't really pull that card. You always got the naysayers, so. I need some new scissors. These are really dull. So, not sure when I'll get this uploaded this week. I'm shooting several videos today of several breaks and a mail day. But, trying to be more active in the card community and all that good stuff. Alright guys, here we go. Got them done. We'll start on this side today. I always like these cards. I think they're neat looking. Vedro, Jeff Hammonds, Travis Fryman, Diamond Stars, Aroyd. Guess that's an insert. Nomo, LaDuca, Manny Ramirez, Edgar Alfonso. Nice looking cards. I bet they'd be tough to grade with them black borders. Bernie. They are stuck just a little, not much. Separate that. That pack's a little. Steve Finley, Jay Patton, Sire. Ever heard of him? Oval. Hoffman, Milton, Ichiro. I'll go back and pull the star cards out when I'm done. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull these apart a little bit. That sucks. They're not bad, but I like that last box where everything was turned a different way. Messina, Klesko, Sexton, Bird, Kevin Brown, Cedeno, Abreu, Beltran. So it looks like we may get a relic or an auto in this box, and I don't know what other inserts would be in here. Yeah, they're kind of sticking, not totally bricked, but a little. Oswalt, Veritek, Kerry Wood, set that aside for the Cubs. Griffey Jr., base, Aroyd, Derek Lee, Macias, Daryl Kyle, Tomei, and International Pride, Carlos Crap. Probably just dinged the corner of that one. I guess it's an insert. International Pride, Delgado. No big deal really though. Adam Dunn. Not numbered or anything. Burrell, Jim Edmonds, and a checky list. Excuse me. The allergies have been pretty rough past few days. I was actually sick recently, and so I've had a lot of issues with sinuses and stuff. Berkman, Sheets, Kurt Schilling, Mateo, Mark Grace, Garcia, Terrence Long, and Jimmy Rollins. Not a whole lot in these so far. I mean, we did get 2 little inserts, but not like the stuff today where you get constantly getting refractors or. But I guess that makes it a little more rare. So Higginson, Greg Maddux, Ochoa. Hey, Fred McGriff. I do have that card, but it's nice to pull it. Juan Pierre, Erstad, Berto Alomar. Some good names in this stuff from back in the day. Some not so good names too, but yeah. I wouldn't want to grade these because, man, these black borders, man, that'd be tough for sure. I know I've said that already. Tees, Durham, Cornejo, Fracall, Fulmer, Tony Clark, Kenny Lofton. Always happy to pull me a McGriff card. I wish I could get me an insert or something. I don't remember if I still need anything out of this product or not. I believe we got our hit. Got something there. Sticker. Quinn, Grieve. We're not going. Oh, crap. Roger Clemens, Diamond Stars. We got a little bit of stripe there on the end. Not numbered. But dang. That's not bad. Roger Clemens, that's probably our big hit of the box. Soriano. See him with the Cubs there? No, he's Yankees. Okay. That's not bad. I mean, I'm not the biggest Clemens fan, but at least it's something I could trade or something probably. That's cool. I don't know how lucky we would get on the rest of the box. It's taking me forever. Tom Glavine, Martinez, Tino Martinez. Try to speed it up a little bit. Sometimes if you got some sticky cards, if you give it a really light flex, if you got some older glossy stuff, it may stick. It helps a little. Helps get them apart. Ordonez, Conan, Carnerco. We got a Pudge, Ivan Rodriguez, International Pride. Surprised there's not more parallels and stuff. Piazza. That Diamond Stars Roger Clemens game used. That's not bad. Not gonna pay for the box or anything. This box was, I think I gave around $30 for it. I had it shipped with the other box, so that helped me out some. There's a Sosa. I try to build Cubs team sets pretty much across everything, so slowly. I can't do it all at once, but it is a long-term project I'm working on. I think I'm going to break my boxes like this from now on. We got something colored different in here. Aaron Boone, Salmon. Hey, what's with the Angels and guys with fish names? Salmon, Trout. Gabe Kapler. It is numbered to 125. So I guess that's a parallel of some kind. Don't remember what that's called. Too bad it's not a better player. But hey, you gotta take the good with the bad. So that's the only number card I got out of this box. 16. There's me a Cub. Mariano. What is this, a Lou one gone? Still, this is a fun break so far. Got them diamond stars, must not be the easiest things to get. I've only got one so far. I don't know how limited these inserts are. Vasquez, Anderson, there's another Mariano. Andrew Jones, Chuck Knobloch. So we did get our hit. That's good. Got the hit of the box. Chavez, Stuck, Brazelton, freaking Corey Patterson. Got a Jeter, Carlos Lee. Yeah, there we go. We got him unstuck. J.D. Drew, Valentine, Sean Casey. Got another international pride of Pedro Martinez. There's our big unit. Jeff Kent, another checklist. Crap, I dropped it. Dang it. That one went all the way to the floor. That sucks. Fiscal, Burnett, Zito, Ivan Rodriguez, Galarraga, Josh Beckett. Yeah, I miss Fleer and all the old companies. That I just hate it that there's only one card company really anymore that makes baseball licensed. I mean, Chipper Jones. What do we got here? On Base, Flair Premium, Todd Hilton. That's not numbered or anything, but it's some kind of insert. It's rather similar to that one. Homer Bush. Never heard of him. Pedro. Well, got some inserts and nothing else, and we did get a little hit, so I guess back in this time they probably didn't number every little thing either. So Ricky Henderson, Juan Cruz with the Cubs, Sasaki, Burnett. Well, I'm not going to be much shorter than my last video. Dropping stuff in the floor didn't help. And then these are kind of bricked. Not bad, but Sheffield, we got something interesting in here. Hilton, Lankford, and what is this? Legendary Dynasties, Manny Ramirez. Another insert. We'll go Torrey Hunter, Leiter. Interesting inserts in these, if nothing else. Can't complain. Get these separated. I guess we could complain, but what good's it going to do us? Biggio, Larkin, Mark Pryor for the Cubs, Olerud, Garciaparra, Sabathia. I've opened boxes that were way more bricked. Yeah, like 90 whatever, the early Pinnacle stuff. Man, that stuff. Matt Williams, bricked big time. We got some Pujols, international pride. Got a lot of those. Roger Clemens, Delgado, Renteria, Cirillo. Excuse me. Last pack. Little fun little break. At least I didn't get some, jersey swatch that somebody never heard of. Yeah, I didn't get that one separated. Troy Gloss, Brzezinski, Eric Young for the Cubs, Bridges, Dye, yeah, that guy, Hillenbrand, and Garrett Anderson. So, yeah, guys, I'll take some scans of the hits here and any inserts and throw them at the end of the video so you can see them again. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.